Dear students, now today our topic is Journey to the End of the Earth. It is written by Tishani Doshi. And this is an enlightening account of Tishani Doshi's visit to the coolest, windiest, driest continent in the world. Actually, the author Tishani Doshi went to the coolest, windiest, and driest continent in the world. Then she what experiences there has described, has expressed in this chapter. She is hopeful that this vast expanse of ice will unlock many mysteries about the evolution of the earth. Her in-depth knowledge of Antarctica, it means that she went to Antarctica, which is the world's most coldest, driest, and windiest continent. It is always covered with ice, and she is hopeful that this expanse of ice will unlock many mysteries around the evolution about the evolution of the earth. How in-depth knowledge of Antarctica, its geography and environment is incredible. Means when we learn its geography and its environment, we can't believe such mysterious it is. Now the characters here in the story, in this topic, is author Tishani Doshi herself narrates her experiences while she traveled to Antarctica, which is the coldest continent in the world. Doshi is of the opinion that Antarctica is the place to go and understand the Earth's present, past, and future. She accompanied a team of students visiting Antarctica and students on ice project headed by Canadian Geoff Green. She had a thrilling experience exploring the ice mysteries of this ice region. Now, the author, that is Tishani Doshi. She was born in 1975. She is an Indian poet, journalist, and dancer. She has published 6 books of poetry and fiction. Her essays, poems, and short stories have been widely appreciated. Tishani's debut novel, means the first novel that proved as successful, is The Pleasure Seekers, was shortlisted for the Hindi Literary Prize. Her passion for dance made her lead dancer in the Chandralekha troupe and toured many countries performing on stage. She had traveled a lot, and her most exciting travels include travel to Antarctica, Ethiopia, Bhutan, Mexico, Tanzania, and Italy. She currently contributes to an interview series for the Hindu and Open magazine. And in this topic, we have and you know that we have actually one thing to keep in mind, that is geographical phenomena. Geographical phenomenon that truly let us know about the history of humankind as they present before us, how things were and how they evolved, and many went to extinction 650 million years ago. A giant southern supercontinent, Gondwana, existed. It centered roughly around present day Antarctica. Human beings hadn't arrived on the global scene. There was a huge variety of flora and fauna. After 500 million years, the landmass was forced to separate into countries as they exist today. And the objective of this program, ICE program, students on ICE program, was actually to offer the future generation of policy makers a life-changing experience at an early age. At this age, the students were willing to learn, absorb the information, and most importantly, act. Mr. Job Green provided high school students an opportunity to understand and develop a respect for our planet. It was a short introductory lecture over the journey to the end of the world. Tomorrow we will go through it and see its different aspects that has given by Tishani Doshi, because it is first-hand information as she went there herself and gathered some valuable information regarding this coldest, driest, and windiest continent of the world that throughout the year remains covered under the ice. Thank you.